Hey everyone, here to show you an additional half helmet kit option designed specifically for the Packtalk Edge, which includes the magnetic air mount cradle. Let's check it out. So if you're going to use Packtalk Edge exclusively on a half helmet, you can make do with the half helmet kit that just comes with the boom microphone. But if you have Packtalk Edge set up on a full face or a modular helmet and would like to easily use it on a half helmet whenever you feel like it, that's when you want to go this route, simply because it provides that secondary cradle. Meaning you could just take the module, pop it onto whichever helmet you're going to use, and you're good. Inside the box, you'll find the installation guide, the magnetic air mount cradle with integrated boom microphone, a clamp style mounting option, 2 alcohol prep pads, and an extra sponge for the microphone. Installation on a half helmet is pretty straightforward. Starting with the cradle and the integrated boom mic, you can either stick it on using the adhesive or the supplied pinch mount. Now this pinches the shell of the helmet. In the case of Packtalk Edge, if you're going to use the pinch mount, simply use the adhesive to stick to the pinch mount, and then you'll pinch the shell of the helmet. Now the way to decide which mount to use is based on the thickness right here, the shell. If you can access the shell, go ahead and use the pinch mount. In this case, I cannot get the pinch mount up in here to pinch on the shell, so we're going to use the adhesive on this helmet. As always, use one of those little alcohol wipes to make sure this left side is nice and clean. And once it's dry, just go ahead and expose the adhesive, find a place that looks nice, and apply some good pressure to stick it on. Okay, the cradle is on, the integrated boom mic is of course attached to that. Now we focus on the speakers. Now, if your helmet has a removable skirt and you want to leave that skirt in that covers your ears, great. You've got a spot where you can put the speakers. A helmet like this, where it's got the ear cutouts kind of exposed, if this covers your ear when you put it on, then go ahead and put a speaker wherever that, wherever your ear lands. If it doesn't and the middle of your ear is right here, then you need to source an ear pad that'll cover this up so that you then have a place to put the speaker. The other option, and the reason we use a 3.5mm female plug, you can always just plug in a 2-ear or 1-ear earbud, which in this case is exactly what we're going to do. When in use, simply pull the microphone down, always being mindful that this yellow triangle is facing your mouth. And when you're not using it, just get it up out of the way. And that's it. You can visit our website for more information, and we'll see you next time.